I promise you, if you watch this video until the very end, you will have in your store, whether on Etsy or Amazon, at least 5 products, and all of them will be profitable products with low competition. And that's not even the best part. You'll be able to design them professionally with me. So watch until the end one more time. Stay with me through this entire video. Let's jump straight into the practical explanation. In this video, if we go to Etsy and search for alphabet tracing cards, you'll find many amazing products. But before we look closely at these products, we have to know whether they are actually making sales or not. So let's immediately move over and analyze the keyword we just searched. We'll find that this keyword gets around 15,000 monthly searches on Etsy, and the competition is low, only about 1,600. That means this niche can generate a lot of sales for us, and we can appear on the first pages. Also, the click-through rate for this keyword is around 9%, which is an incredible number. And it doesn't stop there. If we scroll down a little to some of the suggested keywords from the platform, we'll find many sub-niches related to this niche, and they also have very low competition. For example, the keyword Arabic alphabet tracing gets nearly 19,000 monthly searches, and the competition is only 439. That means this is absolutely amazing. The competition is almost non-existent, and the demand in this niche is very high. So I strongly recommend that you also create a product targeting this keyword, and I guarantee you will make sales. Now, if we go back to Etsy to look at the products more closely, I really liked this product. You'll see that it focuses on the alphabet letters, but at the same time, it gives the child a picture and the name of something that starts with the same letter. So children learn words and shapes while learning the alphabet. There's also this product that the seller is offering for $3.12. And if we scroll down a little, we'll see that it has a 5-star rating with 70 reviews, which clearly shows that it is achieving great sales. In the same way, the seller provides alphabet cards, teaches the child how to write them, and at the same time, teaches some words connected to each letter of the alphabet. But before we jump into the design phase, I really want you to listen to this carefully. Regarding my bundle that consists of 80 books, there is a brand new update that I created today for this collection. As you already know, this bundle includes 80 books that you can edit with precision, merge together, and customize. And we've already explained this before using Canva. You're not just getting PDF files here, you're also getting Canva links. These books are perfect for Amazon KDP. Each one of the 80 books contains 30 carefully designed pages created with more than 7 years of experience in this field. We start with teaching kids the alphabet, then move to words, and after that to different types of practice and activity books. And you also know that this year, math books are trending like crazy. I didn't forget that at all. I created more than 5 math books for different age groups and different types of exercises. Honestly, if you focus only on the math books, you'll find that their value alone is much higher than the price of the entire bundle. But I reduced the price for a limited time just for you. All types of exercises and activity books are included in this bundle. For example, the Find the Differences book includes 30 pages. And I'm sure that if you asked a designer to create 30 pages like this, it would cost you around $250. I want you to go to the website that I'll leave in the pinned comment and see for yourself the number of pages and books you'll get. And there are also some books you won't find on Amazon or Etsy at all. They come purely from my own ideas and designs. I'm confident that if you focus on them, you'll stand out, and your store will offer books that other stores simply don't have. And we didn't forget adults either. This bundle is not just for kids. There are adult coloring books and more. Now, about the big update I mentioned earlier. Last month, as you know, we added 5 new products that only buyers of this bundle could access to give them extra value, and these were specifically for Etsy. Today, I added 5 more new products to the bundle. That means we now have 10 new products plus the original 80 books the bundle is named after. That's 90 products total. Imagine having 90 products that you can merge and turn into hundreds of listings. The first product from these 10 is completely free for everyone. Once you click on it, it opens instantly, and you'll be able to see the creativity behind it. It's 100% my own design. I'm very confident this product will generate a lot of sales because it focuses on numbers. And as we analyzed earlier at the beginning of the video, numbers from 1 to 10 are already proven winners. On the last page of this product, I included ideas to help you design it easily. And if we go back to the bundle again, you'll see that the original price is $110. But with a huge discount, the bundle is available today for just $29. That's a fraction of its real value, especially since I update this bundle and add new books every month. And if you purchased the bundle in the past, don't worry. You'll find the 5 new books already added to your account. Go now to the pinned comment and grab this bundle. I'm absolutely sure you'll make multiple times the money you paid for it. It's a very small investment. Thank you for staying with me, and now let's move directly into designing the product we saw at the beginning of the video. We're going to open Canva and create a new design with dimensions 11 by 8.30 inches. After that, we want to design an alphabet card. And to make the page actually look like a real card, let's change the page color from white to red. Then I'll go to Elements and add this rectangle, and I'll change its color to white. After that, I'll enlarge the rectangle until it covers the entire page, leaving only the edges in red, which gives us that clean card look. Now it really feels like an actual printable card, not just a blank page. Next, I'll add another rectangle, and I'll give it black borders with a thickness of 2. Then I'll change its color from red to white, enlarge it slightly, and place it in the upper left section of the page, because this is where we'll insert the letter. This page will be dedicated to the letter A. So I'll go back to Elements and search for A. You'll find many different styles. For example, this one that allows the child to trace directly over it. I'll choose it. And when you click See More, you'll notice that this exact style includes the rest of the alphabet letters as well. And this is very important for consistency in your product. After that, I'll place this letter inside the rectangle and adjust the sizes so they fit perfectly together. Then I'll duplicate the rectangle and move the copy to the right half of the page. This rectangle on the right side will be for a word that starts with the letter A. Now, how do we get those words? Very simple. I'll go to ChatGPT and ask it to write 3 kid-friendly words that start with each letter of the alphabet. Within seconds, it gives us the words. I'll copy the first word, which is apple. Then I'll go back to Canva and add text by pressing the letter T on the keyboard. We can change the font style to any font you like. After that, I'll type the word apple in the center of the rectangle on the right side. Then we can change its color to match the border color of the page, which is red. Finally, all I need to do is go back to Elements, search for apple, choose one of these images, and place it inside the rectangle on the right side. And just like that, we are almost done designing half of the first page. Then after that, I'm thinking about adding an exercise that teaches the child how to write the letter and the word. So I'll press the letter L on the keyboard to insert a straight line, and I'll stretch this line until it almost covers the full width of the page. Then I'll duplicate it twice. The third line, I'll drag and position it between the first and second lines, and I'll make this one a dashed line. Now we have a perfectly structured writing guideline where we can place the text, so the child can trace and write easily. Next, I'll add text by pressing the letter T on the keyboard. Then I'll change the font to a tracing font, and I'll type the letter A. After that, I'll increase the size slightly so it fits perfectly within the writing lines we just designed. Then I'll type multiple A's until the line is filled exactly the way you see here. After that, all I need to do is duplicate this first writing line and move it slightly lower on the page. On this new line, I'll type the word apple 3 times using the exact same method. And just like that, we now have a clean and professional tracing exercise for both the letter and the word. Now we have a very small space left at the bottom of the page, and I want to add another exercise there so that each page contains multiple activities for the child. This is what will make you stand out on Etsy, instead of other sellers who only add one exercise per page. Pay close attention to this next exercise. I'll duplicate the rectangle and move it to the bottom of the page. Then I'll enlarge it slightly so it stretches across the full width. After that, I'll copy the word apple and replace it with the title, Color the Letter A. And focus with me here very carefully. I'll copy the word apple one more time, then change the text color from red to black. Then I'll go to Effects and change the text style to hollow so the child can color inside the letters. After that, I'll replace the word apple with the letter A. Then I'll duplicate this letter many times until the entire rectangle is filled. Once I fill the rectangle with the letter A, I'll start adding random alphabet letters all around it. Now the child will search for the letter A, whether uppercase or lowercase, and color it. I think this exercise is absolutely amazing, and at the same time, it's very easy to create. And just like that, we've finished designing the first page of our amazing book. And you can clearly see for yourself, this page is better than the pages currently on Etsy. It includes 3 powerful exercises that teach the child the alphabet in a very simple and engaging way. And as I always tell you, the first page is always the hardest page. So once we finish the first page, we've basically finished most of the design. Now let's design the second page together. I'll simply duplicate the first page, then change the letter A to B. After that, I'll go to ChatGPT, copy a new word, let's say ball, and place it inside the top rectangle on the right side. Then I'll remove the apple image and replace it with a ball. And that's it for the main visual change. Next, all I need to do is replace every letter A and the word apple with B and ball throughout the page. Then I'll move to the final exercise on this page and change the letters randomly again. But make sure you include several letter B's so the child can search for them and color them. That detail is very important. I truly hope you benefited from this video, and don't forget to grab the special offer on my 80 books bundle. You'll find the link in the pinned comment and also in the description below this video. This is a great deal because the price will not stay this low for long, so make sure you get it today. I'll see you in a new video soon. I hope you learned something valuable today, and goodbye.